Full-time RVing and part-time RVing on the weekend are two different things. Here are my eight best RV storage ideas for the interior of your RV. Got to check them out. They're really cool. I haven't seen them in any other video. I'm serious. You know, Jill and I, we live in our camper. It's our house. What's in it is what we have, and that's it. And it's packed pretty tight. So when we travel, we got quite a bit of stuff. So organization is really, really important for us. And when we settle into a spot, we usually stay there for a little while. So we spread out, make ourselves at home. I want to show you my camper. Come on, let's go on inside and check it out. Well, I guess the best place to start is right here at this closet. It used to be a coat closet. And the first thing we did when we bought the camper is we upgraded it a little bit. We took out the hooks. Had hooks across the top for your coats. We took the hooks out and we put shelves in. Made it into a pantry for all our groceries. Got our canned goods, our bread goods, our cookie and chip goods. All the things that we need. And the shelves work out really good for us. That was the first thing that we did. And this is a really nice storage hack or tip, whatever you want to call it. Right there, over the door coat rack or hooks. You hang anything you want on it. Since we eliminated the coat closet, we needed a place to put our coats. So we bought this over the door coat hook thing. And that's where we hang our hats and coats and whatever we're in and out with. Stuff like that. And right up here, we got more hooks. We got hooks for keys. We got a basket for outgoing mail and things that we want to remember when we go out the door. And then right down here, we got more hooks. We got hooks for Jill's purse, bags, or anything that we want to hang down here. So we got it all hooked up. No, really, we got it hooked up. And then right up there, we got another hook. And that's for the broom and the dustpan and the whisk broom and all that good stuff that we need a little bit later on when we're cleaning up. Come on, let me show you the bedroom. Come on. Come on. And this is where it all happens. This is the bedroom, and right down below is our shoe rack. We bought a cloth shoe rack. We cut it up so it fit. And we got shoe rack up under the bed, screwed to the side of it. I'll show you a picture of it. It's hard to get down there, but I'll show you a picture of it. And on the other side, Jill's got the same thing. She's got about 12 pair of shoes stored right along the edge. They're out of your way, nice and convenient. And then we got a clothes rack. I just put a whole bunch of hooks up here and I can hang clothes, usually stuff like coats and things that we're using a lot. And then the hooks that came from the pantry, I pulled those out and made a hat rack out of them. So I got hooks all over the place. We got it hooked up. No, really, we got it hooked up. So Jill stitched this up. It's pockets for things like remotes, phone, got all kind of goodies in here. And sits there right beside a recliner. That way it's easily accessible. When you don't have a end table, that's what you got to do. And in this cabinet, we have kitchenware. And in this cabinet, more kitchenware. Steve Turtle cups and glasses and stackable glasses. And a shelf to expand your vertical height. And this is really nice too. A Lazy Susan. Now I'm not saying that all Susans are lazy, but check this out. Got this little twirly thing here. So you can maximize your space by putting one of those in there. Got all your items, you just spin it around, get the one you want. More containers. Pull it out, get what you need, push it back in. This is a cool feature. Instead of putting all your utensils in a drawer, we got a little rack on the side of the wall there that we hang the ones that we use the most. So they're real convenient right by the stove. Nice place to put something, you know, use up that wall space with a couple hooks. And besides, the drawers aren't very deep. So things like this, they just don't fit. They don't fit in there. And in this cabinet, we've got our pots and pans. And we have nesting pots and pans. Check this out. So your nesting pots come with a frying pan with a detachable handle, a lid, and there's 3 pots of different sizes. Each have a place that you can attach the handle, and it's got a lid. And in this cabinet, we got more containers. We got plastic containers, cloth containers. Oh, that's not cloth, that's plastic. And we got more cloth containers. Containers all over the place. Good storage ideas, good tips. Containers. Now over here, we pulled out our dinette. We pulled out those bench seats with the storage underneath. We got tired of getting down on our hands and knees and reaching back and dragging things out. You can put a big container down there. It didn't work for us. It was a pain in the butt. So we pulled out all that storage, those seats. Now we have 2 chairs and a table and a whole lot of storage space, and it worked great for us. So we got all this storage space. Jill has her cloth containers for her cloth and all of her sewing goodies. I've got my workstation here for my computer, printer, cloth containers for storage, more cloth containers for storage, nice shelf unit across there. And when we get ready to move, we bring the slide out in, we lay the table down on its side, run a bungee all the way across, and everything stays where it's at. Travel's pretty good so far. This is a really cool organizational tip right here. This shelf, put it up on the wall. It holds all of our office supplies. We have our pencils, pens, tape, stapler, all that stuff right readily available next to where we work, right here at the table. When we run the slide out in, we take it down, store it away. Come on, let's go in the bathroom. Look at some of the storage ideas we got in there. Pretty awesome. Jill's got it hooked up. On the back of the bathroom door, we've got this little hook arrangement that holds all of our towels. It actually works out pretty good, except right down here, this one occasionally will catch your clothes and it'll tear it right off of you. But it's a really nice idea and a great way to maximize your storage. And then we put this long towel rack in. It goes the full length of the bathroom. And we use it for hanging our towels. Plus, if we have something wet that we want to just hang over there, let it dry a little bit, works out really good. And then here, for all of our beauty aids, we have another shoe rack. And we've got it hooked up over the shower. And we store all of our accoutrements. Shave cream, brushes, toothpaste, toenail clippers. Well, that's my 8 best storage ideas for the interior of your RV. If you have something different or you have different ideas on how you store your stuff inside your RV, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you use. Maybe it'll be something I might want to use. It always helps to share and work with each other. Find out different ways to do things. If you enjoyed this story, click like down below and smash that subscribe button if you'd like to hear more stories like this one. New stories every week on Sunday, right here on this YouTube channel. And ring that bell. If you ring the bell, you'll get a notification every time I post a new story, because you don't want to miss one. Until later, thanks for your time. Bye.